Yes, Uncle Randeaux's Cajun kitchen time again, and yeah, this is Uncle Randeaux, yeah, chef. Now today, I'm gonna show you how to cook a roast Cajun style. What I got right here, I got me an iron roast from beef. I got me some mustard, some Worcestershire sauce, some bell pepper, onions, garlic, cayenne red pepper, some scallions, some black pepper, and along with the meal, we're gonna have us some carrots, and we're gonna have some sweet potato. All right, I'm gonna show you how we do this. Put it together Cajun style. It might be a little different than you're used to or what you might think, but we're gonna do that so you can see how we prepare it all up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what I've done, I've cut up the garlic, the onion, the bell peppers, and the scallions. I put it in a bowl. I poured a little mustard on it. Now, if you don't like mustard, don't worry about it, because I tell you what, you don't taste mustard. It all goes in the flavor, but this is an important spice. So you don't want to leave it out. Put in the mustard. You're not going to taste it at all, I promise you. Unless you have some special tongue palate that I'm not aware of, because I don't taste it, and I like to taste everything. Yeah, chef. So anyway, you do that. Now I'm going to put some cayenne on it. I just do a little sprinkle. There's no way to measure it. Again, though, don't put too much. You can't take the fire out. And now I have in this little jar some black pepper. I like the fresh grind, my black pepper, but I want to tell you, practice this if you're going to do it this way. You're not going to put it in a shaker. I learned to do it just by shaking a little bit at a time like that. That's all. Okay, you get a shaker if you're not used to doing that. Okay, now I'm going to mix that up right here. Okay, I'm going to add a little more mustard here. All right, you don't have to soak it, but you want to make sure you got mustard all over. All right. Now you're thinking, what in the world is he doing? Well, like I said, when you cook it, this mustard flavor, it all disappears. Right? But it adds to the flavor that, in a way, I just cannot explain to you. You need to just do this and trust me on this. What we're going to do, this is what makes it Cajun right here. You see we have all this. It's seasoned, all right? I have the meat here, all right? And what I'm going to do, and this is a real Cajun. You can't be Cajun if you don't do this now. I'm going to cut little slits right in the meat here. All right, I'm going to cut a hole in it. Just like that, so you can see what I'm doing, all right? I'm going to make that hole, all right? And then I'm going to stuff this garlic and onion mixture right in there. Right? Now you can have any size you want, you just put more. This is a kind of a small roast. And I'm going to stuff this whole thing. Now not there, I'm going to put another one here, and then I'm going to put one in the back. And that's going to pretty well take care of it. It makes that flavor go through and through. We're about ready now, son, to put her in the oven and let her bake. Now, this is the final little bit of seasoning, or the second to the final little bit of seasoning we're going to do before we cook. All right, we're going to start cooking. Then we have one other thing to do about a half hour after it's going. I'll tell you that in just a moment. We're going to zoom in so you can see me season this up. All right, now I'm going to put some Worcestershire sauce. I'm not going to give you the measurement. Look what I'm doing. Just pour it all over the meat. That's it. Don't add salt, because this has got salt in it. I'm going to shake a little bit of cayenne, not very much, okay, because I already put some on the inside, remember? And again, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. That's all I'm going to do right now. I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to put it in the oven. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the only thing you have left to do here, my friends, is just put the lid. I didn't add anything else yet. I want this to cook just like this for about 20 minutes to a half hour. I'm going to check it in 20 minutes, and you're going to see when there's some juice on the bottom, we're going to add the rest of that garlic and the rest of the onions, and I'm going to add those carrots that you saw. All right? Okay, look, you can see there's a little juice on the bottom. So we're going to put the rest of the garlic and the onions. I'm going to just pour it in. A lot of it, that's okay, because it's going to all cook down. It's going to wilt like an old dish rag. All right? Now, if you want, you can put potatoes or carrots or anything else. Today, I'm only going to put those carrots you saw. I cut them up and sliced them a little bit. We'll stir it around. Now, you want to know how long this is going to take? It depends how big that piece of meat is, all right? And it depends how well done you want. Me, I like my food. It don't kick around anymore. It's dead. But so I'm going to cook this for I got it about 425. This size going to probably take about an hour and a half. All right, all you got to do is look, and I want to show you something. All right, now you hold on, because what you want to do, I'm going to reach over. The way you can check, you take 2 forks and you can peek in. Now right now this is very, very raw, so I don't want to go in too far. Don't do this till the end, until you're not so sure, because once you open the meat, it's all the juice is going to come out. So wait till the last when you're not sure. But that's one way you do it. Take the fork, you split like that. Don't do it this soon. I guarantee you, shy 30 minutes, this side, she's not going to be done. All right, you put the lid back on. And I'm not going to check again for about another hour. Okay, my friends, about 10 minutes ago, I took the lid off. I let it brown a little bit. You can see, God bless, no shy, it's perfect, yeah. All right, I got the bread heating. In a minute, you're going to see the perfect meal. Yeah, chef, for our Cajun. It's time for our good Sunday meal. Oh, you know what? I got my hat on. Now, I don't want you to think my mama taught me wrong. Because I want you to know right now, she told me you don't wear a hat in the house. But you know, when you cook, people have told me you got to wear something on your head so your hair don't fall in the food. Me, I don't understand when it got that at all, me, because I don't got no hair that's going to fall in the food. But so I'm going to leave my hat off, and I'm going to eat right now, right away, to get on to my chef. I want you to know that I want to say, allons manger, et bonne chance, mes amis. Salut, et prost, et just have a good time, yeah? 2, 3.